Check it out. Okay. Flashlight's on. Stun. Now, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fires out. That means a bear is somewhere near. I was playing with myself with my big horn on stream, and nobody wanted to watch me play with myself with my big horn on stream. I can't imagine why. And if you want to play an oboe, a double reed instrument, here's what you do. You take a look at a cat's asshole, a really close look at a cat's asshole, and you do your best to make your lips look like that. You go. And then you blow. There. That's a skill that you learned. You're so fluffy. Not I mean. You're first. You're first. You're not the worst. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now. Staffin, go ahead, stretch your legs out, stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. The day's gone like this. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey! My bullets are carrying me away. Yes. Please tell me somebody's clipping this. That didn't work. No, 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 no. Please. Ah, Sega. It's a winner. It's a winner. What the shit? Oh, hello, hello, hello. How we doing? Wogar, thank you for being first again. I appreciate you. Let's see if I can get this. That? Ooh, much gooder for me. I know y'all can't hear the buzzing, but there's buzzing. It's annoying as all hell. But welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How is everybody? Wogar, sorry to hear that. Well, I'm glad that you're working, but sorry that you won't be around much. Because I'm gonna be out next week. Much like Three Dog Night said, well, I've never been to Spain, but I'd kind of like to go there or something like that. And yeah, I am. Yay! Oh, the drops are pathetic right now. Actually, yours is getting in there. Go. Stop right there. Oh, nice. You're welcome. Sploosh. Hmm.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
Sploosh. Okay. So yesterday we made Pong. Tonight, today, this morning, this afternoon, this whatever time zone it is, I'm thinking, should we try the bird that flaps? Birdie flap? I'll meet you halfway. Birdie floop. Okay, so so the order actually I'm taking it a little bit differently because step one is kind of an either or. Either do Pong or either do Flappy Bird, because step two, put your junk in that box. I mean, step two is Breakout or Jetpack Joyride, and Breakout builds off of Pong, Jetpack Joyride builds off of Floopy Burb. Or Burby Floop. So I just want to, I like the feeling of completing something, even if it's something small, and, reinforcing, yeah, more of a tree. But I'm choosing, since I'm bad at RPGs, I'm choosing, well, let's take everything in the first level first instead of focusing on one thing. We're gonna do it all. But I want to do more things and better get a better grasp and better understanding about this stuff, and try new things, especially since I'm taking off for another week, and I'm definitely not going to stop streaming, but I'm going to be like rethinking a few things about my stream and my streaming habit. Just need another hit. No, I'm considering. I don't know when our friend Captain Coder is going to be back. I need to reach out to him, but I feel like there's a void in the morning. Nanjiro Dev, welcome in. Good to see you. Folks, if you aren't watching
the
Nano Dev, you're missing out.
Burst barriers. So we have our Bearform barrier here, and when you run into it with enough velocity, actually I think it's at any velocity right now, but when you run into it and you have enough velocity, it'll burst it apart.
No, I'm gonna reach out to him tomorrow. I know he's having. I don't know if there's anything else going on, but I knew he was having some significant issues with.
I like it.
His ISP. So yeah, I'm gonna message him, like either after stream tonight or tomorrow first thing. But I feel like there's kind of a void right now. Granted, there are streamers in the morning. But I think that the morning time, at least my morning, I don't know if it's morning or afternoon for my nose is itchy, like a mustache hair going straight up it. Tani, what's up? But I'm thinking two things. So I'm gonna be going to Europe for a week, which is long enough for my circadian rhythm to get even more fucked than it already is. But there's a good chance it'll be easier for me to transition into maybe doing morning streams. So I'm thinking after I get back, I might try a week of morning before work type things. That way I have I get my mind going. I'm not completely wasted on, well, I shouldn't say that, because so far, I know it's only day 2, but so far I'm really, really enjoying my new job. Honeymoon is not over yet. Let's put it that way. But my circadian rhythm will be messed up, and I'll be able to get up earlier and try maybe for a week or two, the first thing. But good news with this new job is that I will be, well, good news for me is that I'll probably be traveling a lot. So I might be off and on. I was talking to somebody in the marketing department today about, using me in DevRel type stuff, which I'm all for that. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Here's the thing. We're gonna make Floopy Boop. And we're not gonna use. Yeah, Tony. There aren't a lot of I- this is weird, and I know it's not correct because looking at my analytics, there are a lot of U.S. based viewers, but they're not that active compared to a lot that I see in the morning in other streams, who that are like extremely active in chat and hanging out. I don't mean, I appreciate the lurkers. I appreciate all of you. Um, but at the same time, I do want this to be a a jumping point to growing. Um, if I can get to a point where I'm actually making games that don't suck. Tani, right now it is 6:11 p.m. So it would be I'm usually waking up 10 or 12 hours from now to get ready for work. So Nano, how's the Germ Jam game coming along? Hey, what's up over on YouTube? Caucus Map, good to see you. Welcome in. Uh, Wilger, what time will it be working? So a lot of my team that I work with is in Mountain Time. Um, so it'd probably be closer to like a 5 a.m. Stream five to 9 or something like that. But we'll see. Nothing's set in stone yet. I'm just kicking around that idea. Um, see, main scene. This is just gonna be the no. Although committed, me. There have been times when I felt that maybe I should be, but um, let's get a nice aggressive blue here. Just an aggressive one that makes you wonder why you're even playing this. No takesies backsies.
Balls yum.
Okay. There, that'll be a good one. All right, so let's get some counting assets in here. Um, the first thing, other node, character, body, 2D. Collision, shape, 2D. And of course, a capsule. Tani. Yes, I get that completely. I get that. I'm feeling too good about myself. I need to do something I'm bad at to make the pain real. All right, let's see. Now let's go in here. Game assets. 2D. Platformer characters. No. Tappy plane. Well, I mean, all the assets are right here. If this is what we're gonna do. Symbol, welcome in. Good to see you. Choo choo. Not around here, my friend. How are you? It's good to see you. Animal pack. No, I don't want that. I want. I want a side view. Just like Sir Topham Hat said. All right. This is where games go to die. Is programmer art shit. 2D fruity, all Rudy. 2D fruity, all Rudy. Womp bap, a loobop, a wop bamboo. See. Just do something simple here. Oh, good. Background elephant. Background elephants. Yes, that's what I meant. Bird. Ah. Generic items? I don't think I want generic. Ooh, jumper pack? I want side view though, not front view. I want side view. I saw a bird too, but I want the side view. Like not perfect. Well, no. I mean the animal pack. It's all the face. I don't want the face. I want the side. That's more of a bug. Oh. It's a bird. It's a plane. Symbol, yeah, I'm seeing that too. I'm being too picky. It doesn't need to be a bird, does it? Right now, because I'm just doing this to learn, to do things, to make things. We could use whatever. No, what? No, what? Jumper pack? Right, just get me something that'll have Yeah, 2 ears. What's up? Fish. Something with wings that I can use. Did I pass the fish? Did I pass? Fish. Fish pack. Okay. Damn it! I hate when they're like this. This is better. This is better. Wrong. Oh, wait. No, stop it. All right, so let's add. Okay, new. All right, where is the region that we want here? No, that's not it. Right, the flying fish that's most likely to fly is going to be the poofer fish, right? All right, where are you going? Let's put you right there, and let's put the collision shape on top so that we can see it. Yay, speed, jump velocity, blah, 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 blah. All right, we're gonna fake it a little bit here, right? And just have the thing stay in one place. Up. Damn it. All right, let's just see here. Let's just see. All right, ship it. We're done. Do a collision shape. World boundary. Put the world boundary right here. And let's just see. Okay, so what we need now is some kind of like randomized what's it to move on through here, right? So what do we have? No, I don't really see anything in there that I like. All right, let's back up here. Let's back up here. Right, what do we got? What do we got? Um, there we go. Pixel platformer. What the hell? No, bad. Tile map. Yay, good. Okay, let's do another one here and we'll do another 2D scene. No, bad. Wait, no, even worse. All right, how can I do this? Because I don't want it to be a tile map. Um, Or do I? No, I don't. I just want it to be part of this. Like, because what I'm thinking is just using like the green. Can't see it behind my mouse. Or behind my head, behind my chat. The green thing here, like just this little section of it. So with that might actually be better off. Tiling? No. Okay, help me out here, chat. Help me out. What's gonna be what's the play here? Unless do node 2D here, and let's call this obstacles node 2D. Okay, there's that. No. There we go. There we go. And now okay, so what do y'all think about this? As like an alternative, like if I just take these three and just like just nothing because all right, let me fix something here. Project settings. We need to fix the there we go. That's much gooder. Much gooder. So if I just take this and now that would give us a chance here to move it up and down. Let's do this easy way. Bam, bam, bam. And then with the tile set here, I think that I can add in a physics layer here. All of them are going to have that. Omnifidus, welcome back. Good to see you. NVC, DMN, CH over on YouTube. It's good to see you. I'm doing it regularly. I took a break when I was out of town for a week, and now I'm just doing some skill building exercises for this week because I'm out of town again next week. Jason, welcome in. Good to see you. Not well. It is kind of a new project. I'm making Floopy Boof, which is kind of like Flappy Bird, but it's with a fish. So let's save this as I kind of want to move the that's definitely what I want to do here. Tile map here. I want to move it over here closer to like the center thing, and then boom, shazoom, skadoom, boom, a bloom. There. Now it's at least close to that, and we can move it a little bit more here and there. Actually, and we're going to do it like this. I think there's nothing saying that we can't make multiple, right? But this will be a good one to. Oh. Go. We'll name it obstacles. Birdie floop. I can't take full credit for that. A lot of it came from Woger. Okay, so here's what we'll do. We'll put in a yeah, we'll do it here. We'll do it here. On ready bar. Vaccine equals preload obstacles. All right, so we'll load it ahead of time. Of course, it's going to they're going to show up. So the recommendation there was that, or in the challenge, was to use or to reuse all the things. So I can get behind that. I can agree with that. Visible on-screen notifier. All right, I'm gonna hit right there. We're going to add in a global signal bus. And please, back seating is welcome. It is encouraged. So if anybody sees me doing something like really, really dumb, Woger. Yeah. Omnifidus. Oh. That's a good drop. But Woger is on top. Now, kids, if you're playing along at home, I don't recommend this kind of organization of your files. Okay? Finite!
Finite Singularity just subscribed for
Hell
15
yeah.
months. 15 months. That's like a
So sorry I didn't get a hold of you last week. I got stuck actually having to do work after hours. Because I couldn't just say deuces. I'm starting a new job in a week. I don't care. I just, because this place was treating me good. So I was spending a lot of off hours sitting in my shitty Airbnb, just like fix it, ding, fix it. But the good news is, started the new job, heading to Spain. Well, I'm there every year. I'll be there once a year. $15 friggin' months. Wow. It doesn't even feel like I've been affiliated or streaming that long, honestly. It feels like I just started. Like every time I start streaming, it's like I am baby. I have no idea what I'm doing. Recycle thing. Oh, big numbers. Big numbers. I mean, come on. Folks, if you're going to TwitchCon this week, if anybody's going, there is a panel that the great Finite Singularity is part of. All about
how you mixed it up. So awesome job on Friday. Not to mention the content itself was off the hook amazing. So great job, Andy. Someone clip for Andy later. Yeah, clip away. Absolutely, clip away. Andy had to run, had to dodge out quickly. Got it. Yes, someone clip that.
I'm
for
guessing
Andy,
that clip was like
because it was
just
so
5 seconds.
So much fun watching.
But yeah, I hope that the sessions and panels and everything are recorded, so that I can check it out. I mean, it's you, Nutty. Andy's not going this year, I don't think. Epoxis, or no, Epos Vox. Is Exceldro coming? DB Jess, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to watch it live. I'm gonna be in Exceldro's part of the world. Wait, no. What day is it?
Now for the push to get JD to TwitchCon. That's what should be happening.
Friday. So in theory, no. Did it. Odious. I would love to go. But I'm already leaving on Saturday or Sunday on another trip. Oh, you know what you should do? Jake played awesome. Also, how welcome in. Good to see you. What timer? Do I still have slow mode on? Oh. Nice. Yes, thank you for that. I completely lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, you know what would be really funny and I think would go over just great is if you stream the TwitchCon panel on Kick. Just in case you never want to be invited back to TwitchCon again. I've been interested in trying it out. There's so many things I've been interested in trying. Oh, okay, good. Let's create a thing here. Globals that recycle thing emit. There's just so many things that I want to do. So many things that I want to do. So many things that I want to try. And it feels like so little time to do any of it. Let's see. This song gives me sads. Let's emit self. Let's go back here to the globals recycle thing. Thing. But like, you know, Finite, obviously 15 months. You know, I found I had a hard time finding my voice in the early days, and I was doing kind of a little bit of everything. I like what Andy's doing, what Andy Lippy's doing, and that's he has a second channel just for, you know, goofing off. His main one is you know, I'm gonna help you make your stream better. That's what we're doing. And then he's got, you know, Andy After Hours, where he's like playing Jump King and shit like that. I like the idea of having my JD Does Dev focused on development stuff, and, you know, maybe create a backup just for game stuff where, you know, come watch me suck at games. But there's only so many hours in the day. Excuse me. Let's see. All right, so we've got obstacles, we've got the main scene. So in the main scene, let's go ahead and we've got them preloaded. Then we'll do a var. Obstacles array. Should be an array or a dictionary. It should be a collection of, I want 4 that are going to recycle. So kind of like a conveyor belt action where once it goes off the screen, flips back and, you know, comes back like an escalator or a people mover or whatever. It flips off, then it goes to the end and keeps going. So we can have like a, should it be an array or should it be a dictionary? I don't think it should be a dictionary. I call it a collection for now. Just for that, and then we'll figure that out in a bit. And so I was talking with my boss today. They were showing me all the stuff that I'm going to be working with, and so it was it's an older version of Drupal because our main product is never-ending support. So, you know, when something goes end of life, if it's a product that we support, then, you know, you don't have to necessarily upgrade or worry about migrating. And that's a very, very high level view of what it is. But originally, Drupal 7 was written in PHP 4 to PHP 5, so there wasn't a lot of object-oriented classes or anything with it. And so my boss is like going through showing me the stuff, and he's like apologizing left and right, like, I'm so sorry, you know, for all the classes, all the object-oriented stuff. I know it can be poor or something. I honestly, it makes a lot more sense to me this way. He's like, oh, well then I'm gonna stop apologizing. You're my boss. Why the hell are you apologizing to begin with? But they brought me in to be the subject matter expert is kind of the goal. Finite. So far, it has been absolutely, and granted, 2 days in, but it's definitely a startup. It is definitely a startup. And I like working in this kind of environment where, you know, they're treating people right, still growing. We have a virtual office that's really cool. Like it's basically like a top-down pixel art game where all of our desks are like all across this this virtual office, and if there's somebody that, you know, we want to talk to or something, we just, you know, and it uses WASD controls, so you just walk your little character over and, you know, knock on somebody's desk and they turn on their camera and mic and just talk. We still use Slack and all that, but it's just a really cool. Here, let me see if I can yeah, like this. Yeah, actually you can. But it's really cool. I mean, it's fun little things. There are so many like extra little benefits to The insurance is great. Wilger, I know. I mean, at one of my old jobs, during COVID times, like they were trying to be really nice to everybody and keep morale up, and so they sent everybody a Quest 2 VR headset, and all of us being pessimists and just being cynical, like, oh great, now we're gonna have to wear these to work, and we're gonna have to be on what's that VR chat or whatever the famous one is. Now we're just gonna have to be on VR chat all day. But no, it's really cool. Customizable. I like it. I was really skeptical of it when I was first told about it, but it makes sense. All right, ads are coming up. What did I just do there? I'm gonna take a break. Y'all can guess the games, and I will be right back. All right, back. We'll finish up this round. And B. I thought I recognized that mustached guy. No, it's gonna be one of those where we're all like collectively. Oh, but Neo Geo. Neo Geo. It's not Leisure Suit Larry or anything like that, is it? No, it's got Shooter. Shooter Sci-Fi. Metal Slug? Yep. Go. Oh, Wogert. Same. I mean, I didn't have any systems growing up. Well, no, I take that back. I did have Nintendo and Super Nintendo, but that was it. Everything else I had to like wait until they were previous gen and then buy used, if I was lucky. Um, but I had to rely on my friends to buy all the things. Are let's export this. Export. Int. All right, let's look at this. And we'll default it to 4, right? Four. Iron obstacle count. Let's just make it an array. Obstacle count. Obstacle collection dot append. All right, so this should cause it to create a full, or just a set of four obstacles. Now let's just check this. Well, how are we gonna check this? How are we gonna? So this is basically creating a pool of a resource pool of the obstacles. We're creating just an array of the ones that we're going to use, and we're going to reuse them. I mean, we could. Well, no, I want to keep enough so that we can view them as they come through, and have multiple on screen. So we need, a couple, at least 4. Also, Jason, I saw that sub come through. Jason256, thank you for that. Thank you for the, I'm guessing, resub. I appreciate you. I really dislike the fact that it doesn't give anything if you don't leave a message, but you are appreciated. So thank you. All right, so how can we do this? Let's think it through. And again, feel free to chime in. Backseating is definitely appreciated. Well, Finite, you didn't go on to have a very or a somewhat successful career on a sitcom, did you? Cut it out. Did somebody say what? Maybe I watched too much TV growing up. Okay, so let's print obstacles collection. After we do that, let's just see. Gonna run the scene. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. And they all have their own. Well, I appreciate you, Jason. All right, good. So we have an array of our obstacles. All right, so let's now how do we do this? What's going to be the best way to do this? Because we've got 4, right? So it's going to be basically like we have one here, one here, one here, one here. And when this one, they're constantly going that way. But when this collection falls off the edge, let's just make the edge green here. Then I want it to cycle back here. And, keep that going. So, no, blue. Wait. And so when this one comes over here. Oh! Shit. It's almost like lining them up. Speed. Okay, on ready. Let's do a physics process. No, but, yeah, physics process. All right, we're gonna pass that. Not pass that, but just do pass here. Serious Sounds, welcome in over on YouTube. Looks like Golang, not quite. It is GD script, which is, in my opinion, a lot more, very, very close to Python-esque. I've never used Go, so I really have no basis for comparison there. But it's entirely possible that it could be similar. Is Go anything like Python? Physics process. Ooh, can I do this as a... Let's reopen this. Because I did something kind of like this with Pong yesterday, or with Gnop. Gnop, that's what we're calling it, right? Gnop. Let's see what we got here. Okay, player 1, player 2. What do we got here? Paddle. Okay, great. Serious Sounds. Yes. Godot is the game engine. GD script is, hold on 1 second here. Just in case I need to check this message. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, Godot is the game engine, and the language that comes with Godot is GD script, which is, it feels a lot like Finite. Somebody time out Finite. Oh crap. GD script is the scripting language that eventually gets compiled into into machine language, but Godot also works with C# out of the box. But coming from a web development background and having done a lot of JavaScript, a lot of PHP, GD script just feels right to me. And there are a lot of advantages to using GD script over C#. In my opinion, the biggest ones are that you don't have to worry about garbage collection is one of the big things, and the multi-threading, you don't need to worry about doing it that way. Yes, serious. That's a good way to put it. The statement is GD script is a question. It's GD script interpreted loosely typed language. Yes. Yeah, it's interpreted, but it does get compiled into more efficient code. I believe it gets compiled down to either C++ or C# or one of those when it actually runs. But another big advantage is if you're running things with GD script, it just runs fast. It runs very fast because you don't have to worry, or you don't have to wait for .NET to compile C# stuff. Okay, panel is a static body 2D here, and so it doesn't have anything there. The ball's gonna need no, not ball. Bird. The fish. The fish, not the bird, the fish. Jeez. Few sounds. Yeah, of course. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Also, for people on Twitch, that command actually puts something up in YouTube chat that attempts to entice people to come over to the purple side. All right, now I don't even remember what I was trying to do or what I was looking for there. Yep, Serious. Serious Sounds. I primarily stream on Twitch, but I'm trying to expand my reach. So I multi-stream, and right now we have dad jokes. Ooh, interesting that SariBot doesn't show up there. Because it's a known bot not showing up in my chat. Whatever. Why do bears have hairy coats? Fur protection. Why are basketball players messy eaters? Because they're always dribbling. Always dribbling. All right. Let's see. The obstacles are this. Let's make them static. Oh no. Oh shit. Okay, so this is where it gets where I'm getting a little bit confused here. And I kind of alluded to this earlier, is right now, that we're using this sprite here, specifically these 2 tiles, or these 3 tiles. But I want them to move. Emo Giraffe, welcome. Welcome back. Good to see you. It's quite possible in my small town that I am the best Godoer. Not likely, not probable, but it is possible. But I'm doing a lot of basic stuff here just to refresh or build up, well, confidence and skill. But right now I'm running into a thing where how can I use tiles in a collision shape or like a static body? Oh, what the hell? Serious sounds. Yes. Yes. The question is basically you don't have to worry about pesky pointers like in C, C++, or even C sharp because you have garbage collection. Garbage collection is built in with GD script. So if you use C sharp with Godot, then you do have to worry about your own garbage collection, things like that. Somebody correct me if I'm misspeaking because I don't want to be one of those people who like says everything as though it's fact if I'm unsure. So please, by all means, if anybody, please correct me. All right. So how do we do this? Let's just toss a sprite 2D in here. Not animated, not camera, not that. It feels like I don't know if there's a better way. Um, uh, but I don't want to do a tile set. I want the all right, I'm having a hard time explaining what I'm trying to accomplish or what I want to accomplish. Basically I want right now I've got a tile map layer. Bad, right? Bad. This is not what we want. Instead, I think it would make more sense to have a static body 2D here with this shape and then have this same have the tiles in there like this, but do I have to instead? Anybody understand what I'm trying to ask? Because I know what I want these images, even though, you know, each of these are like 7 or 8 tiles. I want them, instead of being 7 or 8 tiles, I want them to be just a single thing without the tile map. So how can I accomplish that? I don't think it's a. No, I don't want multiple textures as frames. I want. I think I want it to be. No, serious sounds. Here, let me show you. Right now, I'm using a tile map here because the image that I want is this, right? So, like this. Munglo, welcome in. So I have these, but I don't want it to be related to the tile. I'd like to take. So yeah, it will be a sprite, but I'm not sure how to. With the available options, I'm not sure how to use the tiles to attach or to make this entire thing. Jason, I was thinking about making a separate sprite, but I mean, that seems like a lot of work. I wonder if no, that's probably nothing. But in sprite, it would be great if I could use a tile as a sprite. Um, let's see here. Go to file system. Let's see if I can boom that. I mean, so this would kind of do it, but it still. And now let's up. Oh. So that kind of works, but then what kind of region here? And doing it this way is gonna... Sonic Super Dash, thank you. I've been out of town, and really busy getting back to work, so I haven't made any new videos in a while. Where? Ooh. What are those? Those are TSX tiles. I mean, I could just grab a couple of these, toss them together, and call it a day, right? But it seems to me like this should be a thing. And maybe using tile map is the best way to do it. Sonic Super Dash, thank you. On I really appreciate it. That I hope that my stream didn't cut off, but YouTube is a little bit weird sometimes. Let's see. So I wonder if this... if the physics layer here, or let's try something else. Let's think about this a different way. Let's go into the tile map layer. In the tile set, let's get rid of the physics layer. Gone, okay? Instead, let's treat the tile map layer like a sprite. And let's change this to couple static bodies. Collision shape 2D. Let's do that. Use a rectangle shape. Make it a tiny bit smaller so it's a little bit forgiving. I know, I shouldn't be forgiving. But I am. I'm a just ruler. Collision shape 2D here. Let's make it a... Where'd you go? Rectangle. Add. Here we go. I think this might actually work too. Is there any reason not to do it this way? To have two collision shapes within a single static body? I mean, I don't think so. Let's just make this the scene. Yeah, make that the scene root. Um, yeah, actually that seems very doable like that. Okay, static body 2D. There we go. Did I shut down the other one? No. Okay. So static body 2D here. There we go. So we're not using physics for this. We'll have physics on the bird or the fish, but not here. Um, let's switch up. What is the thing to get the width of I want to say it's something like get wrecked. All right, so main scene. Can I do? Tree, scene tree. Scene tree is an object. Oh, all right, how can I get the viewport wrecked? Godot 4, get screen size. Boom. Munglo, actually, you might have a better way for me to use, but what I was looking at here is get viewport rec, but it's a canvas item thing. So that isn't going to work. but I want to have this appear outside of the visible section. So I guess I could do it a little bit easier by like having a marker 2D just right here, right? Instead of trying to figure out all this shit. I could put the marker and have that be the starting point for everything. Yeah. Let's do it that way. Work smarter, not harder. Or neither of the above. Sometimes. Munglo. So basically I am trying to do a floppy bird, a floopy bird. I'm going through the 20 game challenge and I'm doing everything just because I need to build up my foundations. I don't have foundations. I just kind of dove right into something. I did a couple of tutorials just far enough to where I could be dangerous. And I want to be better. Burby floop. So yeah, we're yep. And then exactly. Ooh. Flubberfish, yes. Let's just go with one instead of doing this. Instead of the collecting obstacles, let's just do a single one here, okay? Skills instantiate. Let's do this. Let's pop you right in there. Child. Equals marker d dot global position dot x. Go. Yeah, it's a 2D node, but it's static body is what I'm using. So, Munglo, where do I get screen from though? Is that just from here, let's do that. Physics process. Here, let's just take a look here.
Hey,
What?
insert rating streamer's name
Laughlin's
here.
art.
Thank you for the raid. How
Welcome
did insert
in.
last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome, welcome, welcome in, Raiders. Laughlin's art. How you doing? It's been about a minute, hasn't it? How was your stream? What were you working on? I see the pirate raid. Yar. Oh, no, I'm all out of juice. Well, water. Well, I appreciate you coming over here, Laughlin. Thank you. I've been having my own interesting experiences here. I have decided to pull back a bit. And wait a minute. Wait a tick here. Why the hell can't I? Why is it even still showing the thing? Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, I'm sorry that you're having problems with Murphy and his law. You are all tiles. Wait, you are not. So why is it still showing? Because I'm pretty sure that this is the issue. Um. Laughlin, it's going. So I took last week off to do some traveling. I'm taking next week off to do some traveling, both work related, roughly. Munglo, okay, so it is display server. Awesome, awesome. I was on the right track there. But yeah, I'm pulling back a little bit. I'm going back to basics. I'm learning the basic way to do things before I try to dive in head first and completely have no idea what I'm doing. So, oh, this is definitely a side project. I'm actually doing the 20 game challenge. But I'm doing all of them. I might stop, at a certain point. But I'm doing this, and I'm making, instead of doing Pong and then moving on to Breakout. I did Pong yesterday. I'm doing Flappy Bird tonight. Just to see what I can do. But I'm having problems here. What the tile set. So I might. Oh, ads are going to be coming up in 3 minutes. Don't worry though. I will take a break at that time. I should be able to here under setup remove tiles outside the texture. Wait, what's this do? Laughlin, thank you. Thank you. Munglo, awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have the height just be really variable between a couple points. But right now I'm just, why can't I get rid of these extra shit things that I should be able to? Cancel that. No worries, Munglo. I appreciate your help and I appreciate your advice. No. Miscellaneous, no, okay. But I don't get it. Why I can't get rid of all the extra ones that are causing all the errors in the debugger. See, like this. Cannot create tile. Has no tile. Has no tile. There are a lot of things here. Let me clear that, and it's probably just going to pop right back. All right, ads are starting up. Absentee. I am making Flappy Bird because I am dialing back everything to get back to or to or to build up my foundations, my fundamentals. The ads on Twitch are starting up. If you don't want to see them, if you want to play some chat guest games, which am I still here? Why isn't it working? Maybe. Okay, well, I will be back shortly. All right, back. I'll give you all a little bit more time to try and guess it. There we go. Good one. Very good one. All right. So Um. Equals Randy range. All right, so we'll give it a bit of randomness. You know, let's increase it here. And we can look at this and get an idea. There's 0. Right, so if it goes up 100, it's going to be here. If it goes down 100, it's going to be yeah, that's fine. In fact, I'd almost be comfortable doing 150. Let's do, yeah, let's do 150. And 150. Okay. So there's the array. Let's just run it a couple times here and see if we get the oh yeah, it is randomizing here just the way we like it. Samuel bro, welcome in. I will stretch. Stretch and realize how tired I am. What the hell? Okay, all right, so this is something that I'm probably going to look at offline and try to figure out. I think tonight is going to be a shorter stream because I didn't sleep very well last night, and I also want to get to bed somewhat early so I can start adjusting my sleep schedule for next week a little bit. I'm super excited. In fact, I'm supposed to be potentially what? But wait, hold on. Sorry. Yeah, I next week I'm potentially doing a webinar for my new job, which will be later at night for me over there. for people over here. I just found a pie.